Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Oxidizing agent versus reducing agent, oxidant versus reductant, and correct answer is an oxidizing agent. Oxidant is a substance that gains electrons in a chemical reaction and causes other substances to lose electrons, leading to oxidation. Or reducing agent, reductant is a substance that loses electrons in a chemical reaction and causes other substances to gain electrons, leading to reduction. Oxidizing agents facilitate oxidation reactions by accepting electrons, while reducing agents facilitate reduction reactions by donating electrons. The distinction between oxidizing and reducing agents is critical in understanding redox reactions and their role in various chemical processes.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.